Once the responses start rolling in, you need a way to actually make sense of all that data. Google Forms gives you several powerful tools to read, sort, and export your information so you can get the most out of your results. Here is how it works. First, head over to the Responses tab. The summary view is a great place to start because it automatically generates visual charts for every question. You will see pie charts, bar graphs, and organized text responses, all built for you without any extra effort. If you need to focus on a specific area, switch over to the Question tab to see how everyone answered one particular prompt. Alternatively, you can switch to the Individual tab to review one person's complete submission from start to finish. You can easily jump between different entries using the navigation arrows or the drop-down menu at the top. For a deeper dive into the numbers, click the green Sheets icon to open all your responses in a Google Sheet. Every submission is organized into a row, starting with a timestamp followed by each answer in its own column. The best part is that as new responses come in, your spreadsheet updates automatically in real time. This is where you can really start to manipulate the data. To organize your responses, just click any column header, go to Data, and select Sort Sheet. You can choose ascending or descending to reorder your rows instantly. If you are looking for something specific, go to Data and select Create a Filter. This adds drop-down arrows to each column, allowing you to filter the view to show only the specific answers you want to see. When you are finished, just remove the filter and all your data will reappear. Finally, if you need to move your data to a different platform, go back to the Responses tab in Google Forms, click the three dots, and select Download Responses as a CSV. This file downloads instantly and is compatible with Excel, Google Sheets, or any other data tool you use in your workflow. That is how you analyze your Google Forms responses. From checking the auto-generated charts in the summary view to digging into the raw data using Sheets and CSV exports. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more productivity tips. I'll see you in the next one.